Adding a custom AI chatbot to your website is a simple task. Today I'll walk you through the process of integrating this feature. The method for adding an AI chatbot to your website depends on the platform you're using to build it. For instance, if you're using Wix, the process is quite straightforward. You'll navigate to the Add Elements section, then select Apps. Here, you'll find various apps that enable you to add chatbots to your website with ease. However, if you're building your website using coding languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the process can be more complex. This is because you'll need to utilize APIs application programming interfaces to integrate the chatbot functionality. Let's take ChatGPT as an example. You'll need to access its API, which you can find on their website. While some APIs may require payment, others are free to use. If you're comfortable with coding, you can implement these APIs into your website to enable the chatbot feature. I hope this explanation helps you understand the process better.